For this tutorial, we will be attaching our string and center folds to our squash books. Depending on the look you want, you can use any kind of string or ribbon to add additional decorative touches to your squash book. For my squash book today, I'm going to just pick a simple hemp string. After choosing your string or ribbon, measure and cut your piece to about 24 inches or roughly 1 full arm length. Take one of your cover pieces, which will now be your back cover to your squash book, and glue a strip along the center line of this cardboard back piece. You will need to find the center of your string or ribbon by folding it in half. Glue the center of your string down. Mine doesn't want to stick because it's a bit rounder, but that's okay because we are going to take more glue and cover one side of the folded center section and place the glue side down onto the center of the cardboard, and this goes over top of the string also. Make sure it is in the center and shows a slight border. Now we are going to glue the other side. And again, make sure to only glue on the folded square in the center, as I do not want to get any glue on the borders. And finally, you can secure it in place by trying out and tying your ribbon or string into a bow. Make adjustments to the length as needed, and there you have it. Now, we still need to do our center paper designs and creative embellishments, so please make sure to take a look at my next video in this squash book series. Thanks for watching!